Okay, get him. No, 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 no. You have to actually smash him. I'm scared.
Are you ready?
No.
Eric minds me smashing.
Eric, that's my broom. Eric doesn't care. You didn't do a good job.
I smashed him.
Obviously not. Where is he?
I can't see. Bring your light over here. Shitty, he's right there in the corner.
Smash him. You have to do it really. You're
I'm
not even
smashing
touching him. He ran into the corner some more. You see him? Move the table. He's
I'm
like.
not gonna move the table. What is this? A machete? Who has a machete right here?
Eric. Chop his head off. Oh my god, you're really gonna use a machete on the roach. You're so stupid. I can't believe.
There's a fire ant killer there too.
Well, I don't think that's good. You're so stupid. Is that even? Is he
There,
even?
I got him.
Did you kill him?
It went into the underneath there.
Great, into the house.
It went under there.
The end.